KCTV Lone Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Sir, actually, in fact, this place, it's meant for help park. Nobody is there to take care of this place. Recently, sir, you see some Mola, we have youth. We need some recreation center. This could be given as a basketball court. We don't want the place to be for us. Only thing allow the youth to play. Yeah, but only two ring needed, sir.
Because this okay, sir. Should you have good measurements?
Yes. This is the way, no? I understand. In fact, the letter was sent.
Cutting down trees would be.
But the forest people, they say this tree only, sir. This one is not
cut down one.
Yeah. So you can use this space. So this letter, we have sent this letter before, but they have. You remember we came to you last time. But sir, in their letter, they are telling to send to search for alternative. How will search alternative? How will people learn this? This was sent to them, and we sent a letter to you, which you mark.
But one
Same letter.
someone, sir.
This letter is sent.
Menteri Kesorkar Jelna Ubapet Yakatanat Forest and Environment James Pangsang Konggal Sangma Hakasngi Balang Jong Khatwai Tarik Ubanai Jemang Arajar Arpuar Ulah Hiar Jurib Hi Dalade Yakajaka Kabaki Samla Jong Kashnong Putmuri Kilapan Yakatanat Forest and Environment Banshna Yaka Basketball Court Kenang Banyo Akilan Met Bat Yalekai Manla Kapor Kenang Baki Samla Kin Lat Ban Ngop Hakino Kino Kijing Melain Kibasnil Hagani Gajo Kasngi James Sangma Ringkat lang baru MDC jong ke Maulai constituency ubatai bor lang pathau lembat kinong ilam snong kilale jorib ru yang ke jaka ba ke dorbar snong Maulai nonglum kala ais ngobha ban snaya ke dispensary ha Maulai nonglum namar ba ke dispensary ke barim kadai ke bala sushim wai neki breu hado mentah Hakajingnya keren bat kilar pathai kubor hadin bala pendep je kajing jurib uba tai borlang patha ulaong bau James Sangma unsa shimkhia ban le ai halor kani kajing kerpan
The heart of the city.
That's why it's very important to preserve all.
Yeah. We need to. Then after that, because if they set a toilet there, it will contaminate this water, which people are using for drinking. Then we seal back again.
Good I came today, but because I've seen it with my own eyes.
That's why I said no. It was an experience.
So what happens to that building then?
The building is a private building, but this is
More than a dispensary. I'm
Yes,
just
sir.
thinking I'm getting ideas in my head to use it for more than a dispensary.
Yeah.
So you have how many PHCs in Malaya?
one place is
According to population, this dispensary cover more population
than the PSC and CC.
than PCNC.
Because that this is in the center. This is entire this entire is Maulai. Behind is Maulai. There Maulai so this is center.
Bang Center.
Kinan artlik issue ki bangi ngile pensong na kaliang kasnong. So ya ka ba agani ka por bam taw lawan ban yu kjat hi ban wan pet jong ka khamat ki ba ngi pen sngo ho haga bidai bet kini ka bidai bet kini ka por bam ta te artli ki jingdan kam ki bangila wan ngila pen sngo ho forest minister swan kong ka dei bidai bet ka jing pan jong ki khun samla jok snong molai muri kat bat ka dor snong we don lang belum masnong ne ka bidai bet ka tu ka help park ka ba ka forest department klasna karan ko ka jaka ka ba klasna kum ka parking space ya ka ba nakal yang jok snong be khun samla ki lang nur aslam ha nakam tawan pan ban pelong ka kum ka jaka basketball court phi kum ka long manta ka jinglong juman po snong molai ni phi teng kum nomi khmat ka don ka jing pangnut ka ba ngai snong be khun samla jungi ki dan ki bala shay lam bakla hagbede bat ka jingyal ti joki bilang ngop si jingi usni tingi dan kam dan kini recreational center ikun samla khrang ba kinyo ban por ban jimut hagi jil akai ban kilan met ma kumagalong mentahi ni iba ladadan kini jaka ban yo ban kilan met ban yo ban yel akai kawai kan de ka recreation center ban yo ban por ki yo ban ile akai nam ta ka chimba juki kam arpat kalong bakin pau ya sap kapong ka baki kidan tingidan dangiyo ektu nakaliang ka forest ban pelong ka kum ka basketball court kanerap yaki khun samla ka chungi baki yo ban penan kam ban yo ban yel akai ka balong ka chimta ya ka ba forest minister sa James ula ong ba usa shim kya kani ban penolong kani nakapta khun samla ka arpat ka jingwan chung I pat kum help minister ni wan yalam I habade ba kani ka jing angnot ka chungi ban penwan ya kini ke state dispensary hane po yo nong lo mo hak assembly let no po dang long health ministry ba hak te nakaliang chugi lawan nakaliang ka department ka lawan re ngamtip pat balik ka penslam kumagalong manta kini ka state dispensary ka bala ade ka dispensary ba aslam ma ka jala ka jungi harum ta ka panan ka ma ka jaka ka bahab ban wai mo te apa ka sinong kala ai sofa ya kini ka jaka ban yo ban panan kam kum ka state dispensary ya ka bangila lej ban yathu how help minister tamala plus tu dak bashi batai batak bon pej hi ka dan ka jeper tamtak sing isngo brom yo help minister sa James bolwan pej ro igene ya ka ba nagalang chu lai ka assurance ba shen un sa pentri kam kham kloi bagin yo la ka jong ka state dispensary ke bebet bebeng ya ka ba yo ban kam ba ka dor basnong kala isuk mesem igini kiri ki artili ki jingdan kam ki ba ka snong molai ngi lawan yalam yo Minister of Forest Sar GMC na tak jingdan kam ki khon samla aksnong ki recreation center ki bangidan kam basketball court ang typo help pa ka bar ni wan namta kum help minister ban pen I kini jinglong jaman state dispensary ba community makini ki salong shan da jingwan yu kajat I jong minister badan bron ji Sar GMC ngila pensngo ki nakaliang chukir kala pensngo ki jingdan kam nakaliang pun murir kala pensngo ki tak jingdan kam ka bide bat ki kon samla ban pelong itu ka jaka ka ban long ka jimtem tak samla nakaliang ka dor basnong nonglum kala pensngo ha bide bat ka state dispensary bang is kam ka ni kan salong shan ko